Now there's going to be, before we open the floor for media Q&A, I know बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि हमें भी सवाल पूछने हैं, and she's nodding yes, which I will open the floor for media Q&A. पर उससे पहले a quick fun, if you could just bring in those placards please. Yes, you could keep your mics down and you could just use those.
I need clarification.
प्यार कानून धोखा, okay? You have to check and then raise it as I go with the question. Yeah, and if I feel like I might just dig in a little deeper, why so? Yeah? Good to go? Any one, Kubra, don't confuse me. Yeah. All right. Out of these three, Pyar, Kaanoon and Dhokha, what makes for the best plot twist? Dhokha. Dhokha, Pyar, Dhok. So the creator, director, Saab, both are saying Dhokha. Yeah. Should we read between the lines and say कि इस season में हमें क्या देखने मिला है from the creator? Dhokha, Dhokha. Huh? It's a test.
How intelligent we are, or do you want interesting answers?
You can. Okay, what is yours? Dhokha. Acha, now you're going for Dhokha. Now because the creator and director both have gone for Dhokha and you also. Why don't you answer that and tell us why? Oh, you said Dhokha. Come on.
No, I didn't.
Kaanoon. And may we know why? Because the only one who did that is you, Kaanoon. Baki
Because
sab
I'm
kya-
the only one who did that.
Why?
Because everybody else was holding up, yeah. Yeah,
You didn't. What makes the best plot twist? Like a twist in a in this we're talking about.
I'd say law. Because whenever you have a plot twist, the law, if you go against the law of the episode, is when you get a plot twist, right? So it's Kaanoon. Don't mess with me. Well,
Yeah, do you agree? Do you want to add something, Kubra or Jishu?
are
Convinced?
you convinced? You're on my side? Okay.
Oh, she's going. She's,
She's always right.
she's going to be the
Isn't
voice.
it?
Okay. अच्छा अगला
उमेश जी,
इतने पिटने के बाद आदमी यही कहता है
अच्छा अगला सवाल ये है अगर आप you were in Noyanika's shoes, what would you choose first? If you're in Noyanika's shoes, like if you were Noyanika, what would you choose first? Character context, her character. Oy la, Kajol,
she's a
इतने सारे
lawyer,
सवाल.
she's a wife, she's a mother,
Yeah.
and she's a friend.
As Noyanika Sengupta.
हाँ, so she's all of it.
Kajol has gone to a school where when the question is asked, ask 3 more questions.
Oh, she's that student. She's that student of that classroom, which means
She is that student.
I have
Kajol, you
to-
are that student. If the teacher asks 1 question, you ask three more questions.
I know this answer could have all of you the same placards, which I think. No, wait, one only. One. Kubra, one alone. No cheating. Wait, I'll tell you the question. What best describes today's social media world? Today's social media world. Except Sushant. Now everybody else has said Dhokha. And we knew it that it's going to be Dhokha. Sushant, why? Sushant, if you could just clarify this a little. Sushant?
Like he's just being diplomatic now. It's love, people.
Sushant, we want you to elaborate a little. Why Pyar? Because you're the only one. Huh? No, but you still. We've already stamped it that you love it. So we want to know your views as to why.
I'm just saying that she's beginning to bully me now. But I do. Great stories exist all around us, and pyar is the predominant emotion, and I stand by it.
Nice. That's the only different perspective that we've got on this floor. Okay, which one is more powerful in storytelling out of these three? Sorry. More powerful in storytelling. Which one of these three is more powerful in storytelling? I think we're going to keep eyes on Umesh ji also. Yeah. धोखा. उमेश जी आप इस पे थोड़ा सा विस्तार में बताएं धोखा क्यों? Mike, if you could, sorry.
यार एक्चुअली क्या है सॉरी गाइस हम लोग आपस में खेल रहे हैं तो उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ। ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है जिसको हम भी अभी समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो आप भी हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा हमें वक्त दीजिए, ख़त्म होने वाला है। तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि मैंने कहानी लिखी हुई है, तो आप मुझसे प्लॉट ट्विस्ट ये कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरा कहीं कहानी आउट ना हो जाए।
हाँ, ओके।
तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि सब उल्टे पुल्टे आंसर दें, कंफ्यूज हो जाएं और बाद में 19th का वेट करें जब शो रिलीज हो रहा है। बट वी रियली हैड फन प्लेइंग दिस गेम। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you. So indirectly he's saying कि बस कर Sachin. You know that the director साहब has directed it so well right now for me कि Sachin, I know तेरा बोलना तेरा पेशा है, पर अब बस कर ले and open the floor for media Q&A. But I shall do that. आपका हुक्म सराखों पर. And if you can just clear these placards, and you know, Deepak ji and Alok ji have to leave due to some prior commitments, so we do a photo op a little later as well. But while they are here, we can, if we can request all of you to please step forward for a photo op. एक photo op हो जाए.